Crate Pro designs pallets and skids, in addition to your custom crates. However, Crate Pro is not an engineered pallet program like other programs specifically for pallet companies, but it can assist crating companies, cost, and design pallets when needed. There are many pallet and skid templates to use as your starting point in the design. Both pallets and skid templates are based on light, medium, and heavy-duty construction methodology and can be designed and costed using any desired dimensions. Let us assist with training to help you select your company's common pallet and skid templates to train you and your staff on how to modify those designs to fit the job. In Crate Pro 6, whether crates or pallets, you can set your most common material groupings and preferences for quick selection when you create designs. After creating your design, you're able to swap out any of your defaults if you wish, for even greater customization. Let's create a new pallet design. After clicking on New, from the list, select the pallet construction style you want to use. Then click on Go. For pallets, common dimensions are pre-filled in and can be changed to any dimensions needed. The first dimension shown will be the length of the stringers, or blocks. Quantity can set and changed anytime you want to use the same design. Crate Pro will update the costs, selling prices, and cut lists. Weight is the weight of the product going on the pallet. This also can be changed anytime you are changing the product. As you saw in the pallet preferences, you have access to choose which grouping of materials you want to use. And like many areas of Crate Pro, you can rename these groupings. Other information is pulled from your preference settings and can be changed prior to creating your design. Click on Go. In a few seconds, Crate Pro looks at your other settings and creates your design. The left side of the screen shown your upper and lower deck boards. The calculated quantity of boards based on the spacing. You can change the quantity, materials used, add plywood, plywood filler, and more with just a few clicks. The right side of the screen provides information on your stringers or blocks. You can change any of the calculated values, add secondary boards, and even change the notch width from your default setting. On pallets, fastener quantities are based on the lumber junctions. Based on the wood materials used, a specific number of fasteners are applied per junction. A total is shown on the right side. There are multiple cut lists. Shown is a cut list by panel which easily shows the upper deck, stringers, and lower deck materials. Fasteners are optional if you want to have them appear on your cut lists. Switching to skids. Skids are generally crate bases with some variables. Skids tend to be selected more often than pallets when a larger than standard pallet size is needed and a cap is not. Length and width must be entered, and you can make any changes from your default settings prior to generating the design. You will see the skid design screen look similar to a pallet screen and a crate lower assembly screen. On the left are tabs for the base, whether plywood, lumber, or both. Unlike pallets, on a lumber deck, a gap is not automatically calculated. You will see either a rip value or a clean fit depending on the skid style and materials selected. Swap the materials or change the quantity of boards, and you will be able to view the new rip, clean fit, or gap value immediately. The right side shows your lower assembly materials and board orientation. Throughout Crate Pro, for all lumber boards, you can specify if the board is to be placed flat or on edge when it's not a squared material such as a 4-inch by 4-inch or 100 by 100 millimeter board. This icon shows the boards to be placed flat. To change the board to on edge, just click the icon. The fastener window is similar to crates in its configuration, and there are multiple formats for the cut lists, just like with crates and pallets. As you can see on this cut list, the on-edge icon next to the lumber material it applies to. Crate Pro 6, designed for the custom crating company, is flexible enough to assist with your skid and pallets when needed. Please schedule a free online presentation to discuss how Crate Pro 6 can improve your bottom line.